How to fix Brave Browser for Mac not uninstalling. Here's a script to uninstall Brave Browser on a Mac. #bin/bash #quit Brave Browser if it's running pgrep Brave Browser /dev/null, then echo quitting Brave Browser osascript quit app Brave Browser fi #remove the Brave Browser application and related files echo removing Brave Browser sudo rmrf/application /bravebrowser.app /rmrf/library /application /support /bravesoftware /rmrf/library /caches /bravesoftware /echo Brave Browser has been uninstalled. Here's what the script does. It checks if Brave Browser is currently running and quits it if it is. It removes the Brave Browser application from the Applications folder. It removes the Brave Browser related files from the user's library folder. To use this script, you can save it to a file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_brave_browser.sh, and make it executable by running the following command in terminal, mod +x uninstall_brave_browser.sh. Then, you can run the script by entering its file name in terminal, /uninstall_brave_browser.sh. Note that you'll need to enter your admin password when prompted, as the script uses sudo to remove the Brave Browser application. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.